Hello guys, what if I tell you that with just your $100 on your Binance account, you are going to be making $5 to $10 on daily basis without have to go into market analysis to study whether the market is pumping or is dumping. Something big is coming to cryptocurrency world where both professional and a newbie who know nothing about cryptocurrency is going to cash out and make huge amount of money in 2023 we are just in. Okay, so now I introduce you to a tool called Tafabot few weeks ago, of which this tool, what is good about it is that you deposit your money on your cryptocurrency trading exchange like Binance, KuCoin, Wobi and Bybit. Okay, so you connect your API. Why this tool will help you to close profit and rebuy, close profit and rebuy. So now what is new on Tafabot? Something new is coming on Tafabot on the 25th of January 2023. And what is it? Let me hit you up. Before you mirror a trade on Tafabot, you have to know the status of the market, or before you set up your own bot, because as a newbie you can mirror a trade from a professional within the Tafabot community, or as a professional you can set up your own bot, your take profit, your stop losses and everything on Tafabot. But now that is what has been in existence. What is new on Tafabot? What is new is to solve the problem of newbies who know nothing about future trading. And you know future trading is very risky. You can lose the whole money and you can win the whole money. So what Tafabot is bringing to the community now is that even you as a professional or as a newbie, you don't have to go and do market analysis, study the candle, whether the market is pumping or the market is dumping. For any coin, you don't have to do that. A new bot is coming to Tafabot that is going to tell you that this coin is going to dump, that this is a fake dump, this is a fake pump, this is a real pump. And this bot on Tafabot will tell you this is an artificial intelligence, just like the quality of artificial intelligence of the chat GPT that is existing. This bot will be able to determine to tell you that this coin should be shorting. And when you shorten it within few seconds, this coin as usual, this bot as usual will close profit for you. That is what Tafabot does. It closes all the profit for you. It buys again, close profit for you. So this means that newbie in cryptocurrency are going to be like professional in cryptocurrency. You don't have to go and study any market analysis, the dump, the pump, the buying, momentum and all those stuff. Okay, all you need to do is that go to this bot that we are talking about on Tafabot and you can copy a mirror and they will tell you that this mirror is for bullish market. You don't have to go and check if it is true because the bot will close for you. The bot will tell you that this bullish market is over. The bot will also be able to tell you that this bearish market is over. You switch off the bot and you move to the next trade. Okay, so that is what is coming to Tafabot. If you are not on Tafabot, use my sign up link on the description of this video. Please don't go to the comment section, go to the description of this video. You will see the link to sign up on Tafabot. Okay, it is free to sign up. It is when you want to use the tool you will buy a license. So now you can also chat me on WhatsApp. Let me add you to my community of Tafabot where you get more information on Tafabot. Once you sign up, chat me on WhatsApp so that I will give you the link to attend all the webinars that Tafabot are holding. So guys, this is the time for you to stop playing and make money in US dollar wherever you are in the world. Okay, while you are sitting, you don't have to do anything this time around. When it comes to cryptocurrency, you don't have to lose market trading. Tafabot will help you to do all the needful. Thank you very much. Consider subscribing and turning on the bell notification to this channel. We meet in the next video.